YouTube? It's your boy Moody.
It's your girl Navina.
And look, we scoot up a little bit. We on the way to the post office right now.
That's UPS or USPS?
UPS. I'm pretty sure. I hope so. But on the way to the post office. A lot's happened this past week. I'm gonna get into it. This morning, that's the most recent thing, is the Inflame Orange Yeezy slides. I hit on them this morning on finish line, so hopefully those ship. I got a confirmation email, but you never know. Sometimes you know, sometimes they'll cancel because they done gave too many orders out or whatever. But yeah, we on the way to the post office right now because I had to sell a PS5 on StockX. Normally I try to look out for the homies because I've had a PlayStation 5 since it came out, honestly. Since it very first came out. And I've been like trying to get people like PS5, so I've been trying to like buy them and then like, you know, letting them go for retail plus shipping or whatever. But I get a bundle from GameStop and I'm thinking, oh, okay, cool. You know, I can get a PS5 and then, you know, take the extra stuff to GameStop and then be able to, you know, get my money back for the stuff. Tell me why. We went to 3 different GameStops and then at every single GameStop they was talking about, yeah, can't do it, you know, because all the SKUs have to be returned at the same time. And I'm just sitting here like, so if I return everything, you feel me, can I just buy the PlayStation back? It was like, oh no, if you return the PlayStation 5, it gets flagged and then we gotta ship it out. So I'm like, okay.
But pause, y'all. Listen to what really threw us. When we went to the first GameStop, the lady, she was new, and so she was like, okay, and her manager was standing next to her, and he was like, oh, just call customer service and confirm if like we could take it back. So she called customer service and he's going behind her calling like the regional manager, and customer service was like, yeah, it's solely up to the discretion of the store. If you guys want to go ahead and do it, go ahead. So she done had everything in the system already. All we had to do was just put the card in. And so he calls the regional manager, and I feel like the regional manager said the same thing. It's like at your discretion. So he goes up in the computer and finds like the small print, and it was like everything needs to be returned together. We think he was just trying to do some funny stuff and just wanted the PlayStation 5 for himself. So we was just like, forget it. And that's why we had to go to 2 additional stores, and then they were saying the same thing.
Yeah, so if y'all still out there trying to get a PS5 and you happen to look up on a bundle, please know that you cannot return the stuff from GameStop. Now, if it was Best Buy, Target, Walmart, you know, they'll return it. But, you know, GameStop always been on that funny stuff, so.
Hi, quick question. Are you guys doing the UNC dunk raffle today? All right, perfect. Thank you. Bye-bye. There you are.
But, you know, GameStop always been on some funny stuff, so that's why, you know, I only mess with Best Buy and all that and all the other sites because GameStop is trash. So
yeah, for real. Had
to sell a PlayStation on StockX, and I got a bid live on eBay for all the other stuff. I'm literally letting the games and the controller. It's 3 games and a controller for $100. Like every game costs like $70 before tax. So like literally, it's a freaking steal. So I'm just waiting on somebody to bite the bullet and go ahead and buy them off of me. But we at the UPS store now, so we're gonna drop this off, and then I'm gonna update you on everything that's been happening this week, because it's been a crazy week. So we're gonna get into it. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna let y'all know I had this whole vlog. It was gonna be like 18 minutes, but most of it was just us going to the mall anyway and just doing raffles like we normally do. We was doing the raffles like I said in the previous clip, but I deleted the files too early. So it's only 2 clips that I get to work with. Still enough to get a video done, but you know, it sucks, but you live and you learn. So enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. Tell me why. Okay, it's the next day. Okay, same shirt, I don't care. You know, it is what it is. So I go to pick up my package and there's 2 of them. So we got, like I said earlier, there's the Dunks, right? And then I hit on the Core Purple 3.0s, the women's exclusives. Look at how they did my Dunks. Give me one moment. I promise you, I didn't open this. This is how it came. This is how it came. As you can see, like, this obviously didn't work. You know what I'm saying? But that's besides the point. Obviously, we don't need the box anymore, so. But this is gonna be my first pair of Dunks in my size, because normally I get the lower sizes. It's cool though, it's cool, you know. First Dunk in my size, Dusty Offs. We gonna tap right into it. That's what the size tag reads, if you could even see it. I don't even know if this camera gonna focus well, but we're gonna get into it. Pop the top, and then these bad boys look nice. Let's see if they smell good as they look. You feel what I'm saying? Take a glance at these sexy things. But yeah, these are nice. Materials, the suede is super soft. Like, this is crazy, bruh. I really hit on some Dunks. Bro, I thought this day would never come. I thought this day would never come, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. I thought I would never see this day. It's the outsole, you know, a little something slight, you know what I'm saying? But they don't smell like no Jordan 1, but still feels good. But here's the other shoe. And then, yeah. Oh, but yeah. Size tag AUC 11.5 on the inside. Don't play. That's pretty much it, bro. I got something in my size. Let's go. But yeah, I mean, glue stains is okay. I ain't gonna get into it, but you can kind of see it there. But yeah, that's it for these. This is what I wanted to show y'all earlier. I got these. Like I said, I got Yeezy slides. Those are coming in the mail tomorrow. We're gonna take a look at them too. I'm not gonna do nothing too crazy on these. That's the Dunks. And then we got the Core Purples. Gotta make this quick because I gotta be somewhere. Ooh. Okay. That's what I'm peeking at. That's what I'm peeking at, the gloss. The gloss. I'm like, hold up. Oh my, this is one beautiful box. Man, if the Core Purple 2.0s and 1.0s came like this, bro, they always do bro, they give the women the best boxes. Bro, men, they just be like, alright. Women, they be like, here, this glorious box with all of, you feel what I'm saying? But we gonna pop the top. It ain't nothing too crazy. Got different Jordan brand paper. You can see that, bruh. And then the Core Purples. And these out the box smell heavenly. Tumble leather. Oh, this is clean. Sheesh. And then they had the satin on the inside. Oh my. Oh my. Let me go grab my 2.0s real quick. Actually, I'm gonna go grab hers real quick. Hold on. Man, y'all be the judge. You going with the left one? Or you going with the right one? Please let me know. This, cause the quality's kind of like basic on these. And the quality on these, It's something tough, man. Hold up, let me try to fit the shoe tree in there. Do it a little bit more justice than what it got. Yeah, there we go. The satin on the inside, I'm trying to tell y'all, that's smooth. Something that your do-rag should consist of when you put it on your head at night. But yeah, these are, the leather on these, A1. But y'all let me know in the comment section. 2.0s, 3.0s. I don't got the 1.0, so don't think I'm gonna just go in my closet and grab them. But let me know in the comments. As you can see, she ain't even wear these. I don't think she wants these, but we gonna see. I'm gonna try to see if she, you know, change her mind. But yeah, you know, man, this is a nice shoe. This is like smooth, but that's it, man. That's gonna be it for the video. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like I said, check out my other videos because hopefully I got my fingers crossed about this these dunks. Hopefully they call us. I mean, even right now, I got my phone on loud. It hasn't went off this whole time, but I'm hoping. Hopefully we get a call either today, later on today, or tomorrow, because they drop Thursday and they're not gonna call us Thursday. They're gonna want us to pick it up. So I'm gonna keep y'all up to date. But yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all for sticking in to the end of the video. But I'm gonna go ahead and check out of here. I got places to be. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.